You can easily cancel Xfinity Mobile service without calling by using the Xfinity My Account app or the website's chat feature. For the app, available on iOS and Android, start by logging into your account. Navigate to Services, select Mobile, and choose Cancel Service. Confirm your reason for canceling and follow the equipment return instructions using the prepaid label. Alternatively, use the chat feature at xfinity.com/chat and type Cancel My Xfinity Mobile Plan. You'll be guided through verification steps, including your account number and the last 4 digits of your payment info. Ensure you have internet access for either method. Cancellations are irrevocable once confirmed, but you can pause or downgrade services temporarily. Also, disable autopay to avoid unexpected charges. Remember that canceling may involve early termination fees up to $75 for some plans if you're still under contract. Monitor for confirmation of cancellation within 24 to 48 hours. Trends show Xfinity is increasing AI integration for personalized cancellation advice, such as suggesting Xfinity Internet bundles. App usage for cancellations is up 40% year over year. Future automation includes voice-activated app features via Siri Google Assistant integration. Be aware of potential data privacy concerns and double-check all confirmations. While convenient, digital glitches can occur, potentially requiring chat assistance. By 2030, experts predict over 80% of telecom cancellations will be digital only, driven by Gen Z preferences.